Okay, I'm starting the video. If you see that tank in front of us, we're turning left now to go towards the city. We're facing the sun, so it might be kind of dark. But I think we get trucks in here fairly easy. A couple young people. Okay, I got that house in front of us as a checkpoint. I'll start the video after we get a little closer to town. I can actually show you some of the homes here that look like they've been destroyed. Get a better view of it coming up here. See all these trees are down here. Everything's just blown over. And over here is a residential area that's nothing but a heap of rubble.
What?